How to enable dark mode on your Android device. Once you confirm your Android runs Android 10 or later, you can head into the settings and toggle an option to enable dark mode, or you can use the quick settings menu to turn the mode. Keep in mind that different phones have different ways to turn on dark mode. Some phones even offer the feature to schedule dark mode, but this might not be available on all phones, even if they are running on Android 10. Here are the ways to activate dark mode on an Android device. So first of all, go on your settings and you can see here display. Click on display and you can see here dark mode. Just click here and you can see the here dark mode. Just turn it on and here you go. You can change it by disabling it or enabling. So in this way you can turn into your phone into dark mode. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to my channel to get more daily updates. Thank you.